Work continues to move forward across the stadium, with some areas showing visible progress while others remain in preparation mode. Materials are shifting, structures are taking shape, and several key elements are now entering more advanced phases. Today's update focuses on where progress is active, where it has slowed, and what is clearly being prepared for the next steps. Before we move ahead, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us continue bringing you the latest updates from Camp Nou. In the Tribuna, there is a clear reduction in stored materials, including prefabricated seating and stair components, giving the zone a more organized appearance. Escalators visible at this level now have handrails fully installed, and technical works appear largely completed on the lower units. Elevated platforms indicate ongoing finishing tasks, while interior scaffolding confirms that internal development continues steadily. Several large-diameter steel pipes have been delivered and staged near the corner area. These pipes are part of the stadium's mechanical and service infrastructure. Crews are installing pipe supports and suspension brackets inside the structure, preparing the routing and fixing points for these systems. The parking entrance area shows clear structural advancement. Reinforcement steel has been installed, formwork panels are in place, and concrete work has progressed to level the surface with surrounding areas. The widened access confirms that this section is nearing completion from a structural standpoint. At the south goal, structural activity continues at a moderate pace, with previously installed supports remaining in place and elevated platforms active near the black structural beams. While no major new elements have been installed, preparation work is ongoing, indicating that further vertical installations are expected once alignment and fixing tasks are completed. Louver installation in the corner area shows no new additions during this update. Although materials are available, the absence of crane activity suggests that installation is temporarily paused. Progress in this zone remains slower compared to other facade sections, with further work expected once installation resumes. 3 lateral facade sections are now fully covered with louvers, creating a strong visual impact. Elevated platforms remain active, likely conducting inspections, alignment checks, and tightening of fixings. Louvers between sections have not yet been connected, but anchoring and quality control work continues behind the facade. A new compression ring column is currently being prepared at ground level, with yellow lifting components being installed. This preparation strongly indicates that the column will be lifted and installed soon, marking another step forward in the structural system that will eventually support the future roof. Inside the stadium, progress continues with glazing and insulation installations across multiple levels. Rock wool insulation is visible above several glass sections, confirming ongoing enclosure works. At the north goal, a labor-related situation has emerged involving subcontracted workers reporting delayed payments. While responsibility appears to lie with subcontractors rather than the club directly, the situation has affected activity levels in this area. Structurally, interior work continues with scaffolding, platforms, and limited installation activity visible. Glass installation in this section remains unchanged over the past few days, with several panels still missing on the right and frontal sides. All required glass panels are already on site and stacked nearby, suggesting installation is pending rather than delayed. Overall, the stadium continues to progress through a mix of active construction, technical preparation, and finishing works. While certain areas are advancing faster than others, materials and equipment are positioned for continued development. The coming days are expected to bring further movement, particularly in structural installations and facade completion. If you're enjoying these stadium updates, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the work and keeps you updated with the latest progress.